There's nothing like the smell of fresh bread in the morning. These spelt rolls are incredibly soft, nutty, and best of all, the dough works while you sleep. Spelt is an ancient grain powerhouse, packed with more protein and minerals than modern wheat. It's easy to digest and has a delicious nutty flavor. It's the perfect fuel for your day. Simple, wholesome ingredients for a result that tastes like a professional bakery. In with our ancient grains. Combine the spelt and wheat flour with the yeast and a pinch of salt. Whisking them together by hand is the first step to creating that perfect airy texture we're looking for. Now add the olive oil and lukewarm water. I love using a wooden spoon for this. Just stir until a shaggy, beautiful dough starts to form. No heavy kneading required. Cover it up and let it rest in the fridge overnight. This slow fermentation is the secret to that deep, complex flavor and better digestibility. Pro tip: place a bowl of water in the oven while preheating. The steam creates the perfect golden bakery-style crust we all love. Look at these beautiful gluten strands. After a night in the cold, the yeast has done its magic, creating a strong and airy structure. Time for some texture. We're using pumpkin seeds, sesame, and flax seeds. Dip your spoon in water so the dough won't stick. Gently scoop a portion, shape it with your fingers, and press it into the sesame seeds. Simple and mess-free. I love a variety on my breakfast table. Whether it's pumpkin seeds or flax seeds, each one adds a unique crunch and extra nutrients. Into the oven they go. The steam we created earlier will now help the spelt develop that signature crispy crust, while keeping the inside light and fluffy. Fresh, warm, and homemade. Your family is going to love this. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next recipe.